So here's how to download Blender on laptop and PC for both Windows 10 and 11. First you want to open your browser, and then in the search bar you want to type download Blender, and then go to the Blender official website, blender.org/download, and then click on download the Blender, and that should download the latest version. Now you should see the download in progress here. And if your download does not start automatically, you can click on this link here to download it manually. Now once the download is complete, you want to open the installer. Then you'll simply follow the steps by pressing next, next, and install, and then wait for it to install Blender. Now once the installation is complete, you can press finish, and in the search bar you can type Blender, and then click on Blender the latest version, and like that you can open Blender and start using it. You should also see a Blender icon on your desktop, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and subscribe.